Hi, Victoria. This is Ken Gonzalez. Thanks for your work on this. I just need to ask you for a few changes, so we finally got it all printed out. The first change is where I need to move this, put it right here, this opening, the rectangular opening. If you can see, if I put it straight down, it needs to be moved over to this side about 2 millimeters, and it needs to be moved a little bit forward or away from the back, about 3 millimeters. So 2 millimeters more to this right side, right, and 3 millimeters away from the back or forward from the back. But the size itself is actually perfect. And so you can see the design here. The other thing that I wanted to ask you to do was actually to put this hole on this roof. So actually I have it Velcroed, so hold on for a sec. So it actually would be this side that would be on top, right? So this side would be on top, and right now that side is on top, but this side would be on top, so the hole, the rectangular hole, would be over here, and with the adjustments in terms of the location. And then the last thing, if you could make, is the sides here to have this triangle actually end right here. So it actually would go a little bit lower to the very end right here. And that will allow us to keep, there's a speaker right here, it's where the sound comes from, and right now it's kind of covered, but I want to get it a little all the way to the end, and it'll cover it more, which will direct it, because there's some opening here, direct it more forward. So that's what we're looking at in terms of the changes, but overall the thickness and everything else works really well, and the dimensions are really well, because we want a little bit of space on the right and the left and on the top. Okay, so I'll send this in text, but I wanted you to see this too. Okay, thanks.